Ninangs! My Ninangs, welcome to the stream po. Happy 5th anniversary! Aliens! Okays! Love you all. Titas! Hand fits in mine like it's made just for me. The bed isn't mine, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks. And it all makes sense to me. No, you've never loved the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You've never loved your stomach or your thighs. Dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. But I love them endlessly. I won't let this little thing slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you. Oh, it's you. They add up to I'm in love with you. All these little things. In fairness naman sa memories natin. Ang naalala ko kasi yung mga space, no? Mga panahon yun. Mga ganun. Diba? Okay lang yun. Ang tawag dito. Basta yung mga songs na yun ay mananatiling comfort songs pa rin. Diba? Yes, Nats. Shout out Nats. Ating mga titas. Aliens. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Dahil up to date ay buhay na buhay at nandito kayo. So, maraming salamat. Happy 5th anniversary. Many more months, years come. Tingnan natin kung paano iikot. Kung paano maglalakbay ang sinasakyan natin ito. Diba? Tingnan natin kung tayo ba ay hihiluhin o hihiluhin. Ba't may mga umiiyak na emoji? Wala, masaya tayo ngayon eh. Yun ang importante. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Hindi tayo magsasawa sa mga songs na yun. Salamat ka. Salamat. Thank you. Tama yan. Sir Mark, hello po sa lahat ng bagong pasok sa stream ko. Ayan. Hello po. Claudia, Solid Aliens, Putay.